Recording? Probably. I don't know.
We'll turn it around and check.
How can I turn it around and check if it's recording us? Ha.
Turn it around and look if it's recording on the other side and the screen.
It's
there
recording.
You go.
Hey, look at that. That's that's a nice boulder. That is a nice boulder.
Ow!
Ow! So there's a random guy walking down the street
With no shirt on and a dog.
and I'm just like, ow! Ooh, hot mama! Just to make him look and think that he's hot, but he's not.
Although
I'm sorry
my friend's
for you.
friend thought he had a nice abs.
Nice abs, and then he was a little bit down the street. I was like, my friend thinks you're hot. Ow! Ow! So yeah, where's your shit?
Babies everywhere.
Bailey's pregnant.
Green wishes.
She does.
Every night.
All the time when she's hugging herself. I wish I had a baby. Green wants a baby.
I don't think so.
She wants twins. And we're gonna name them Peanut and Butter Me.
I'd like you to butter my biscuit. Sorry.
Can you butter my biscuit?
Can you
Butter my biscuit.
penis?
Penis.
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 Your mom's not going to see this video. is
No.
she? Good.
Penis. Little, 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 little. Doodle, 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 doll. Eat it. My nose ate it. Nasal sex.
That's what we said last night.
Yeah, I know.
That's what we said last night.
That's our favorite kind.
That was
Nasal
meant to be the
intercourse.
noise.
Ow. And now for the next 7 seconds, Jess will make random sex noises.
Yeah, for references to both queries.
Yeah.
Ah, there's a bug in my pants.
I'm sorry.
It hurts. It's hurting me. Ow.
It's slithering up inside you.
Oh, please don't say that.
And fulfilling you completely.
Oh, no.
And then there's a nest. A nest of bugs. Bugs, 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 bugs.
Maybe that's why I have to go get an ultrasound.
I'm a speech impediment.
You're a speech impediment. That's what it said. I'm a speech impediment.
I'm a speech impediment.
There is a speech impediment.
I have a speech impediment.
Ow, hot mama. Ow! We need to go to the mall and just film us.
Oh, I know.
Flirting with people. And watching Bailey horribly fails at getting.
Yeah.
We should count how many numbers we can keep.
Oh, I know, right?
Have you ever been rejected that way? That sucks.
Oh, I know.
Especially when you ask for a straight girl's number.
Mm-hmm.
So you go in
Hey,
Spencer's.
baby.
Every girl that goes in Spencer's, if she's alone or with another girl, gay.
The gay. And if they go to the
gay.
back and look at the naked women signs in the back, it's definitely a gay. Green did that. You remember that?
Yeah, I remember when she was flirting with the lady who worked there. And I was like,
Your girlfriend wouldn't like that. And the lady left.
mm-hmm. Oh, well.
There's a chicken. 2 chickens.
There's several chickens.
There's chickens.
A buck, 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 buck.
Buck, 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 buck.
There's a car going down the road. Wait, don't say anything, don't say anything, don't say anything.
Penis!
Sarah! Like I said, we should just film each other trying to get numbers from people
Oh, I know.
and edit it all together.
Be like, hey there. Baby.
And have your number.
Can I have your number? I have it. Work that ponytail, girl. Work it.
So you should have a number.
Can you relate to me? Give me the code, and that code will be a beautiful ass number.
The code that will connect you to me telephonically. That will be your beautiful ass number. Can I have it? 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 My mom loves that.
Goodness, Glacius.
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 Enrique.
Glacius.
Your hair would just went in my mouth.
That was very attempted to fail my noise. It was like, it's a drowning tiger. How does a tiger drown like this? My boobs hurt.
I'm sorry.
Oh, my fault. Poking them with sticks isn't the greatest idea in the world, is it?
I thought you just said dick.
She broke my stick!
That's my shoe. I don't know if you can see it, but that's my shoe. It's going on Sarah's butt.
Hi, Ziggy! Ziggy. Prostitution.
Evolution. The evolution of the prostitution. We should go work the corner.
We should. Let's go.
No,
let's go.
We're gonna go work the corner.
I'm not allowed to leave my yard. Can we go over the fence?
No.